In this video, I'm going to talk to you about our CRM architecture sessions. There is a chance that you are watching this video because you are just going to architect your lead system with us, the deal system with us, or maybe you are going to have a fully blown architecture system for the entire CRM and other Zoho products. In any case, this session will show you exactly what to expect in those sessions. Step one will be receiving a demo. There are many cases when customers coming to our company and they are buying services without even knowing what they're buying. I understand that sometimes there is trust in the brand and the client understands that he will get the best of the best with our company, but for me it's not good enough. We spend hundreds of thousands of dollars creating very specific demos of exactly what you are going to get. Before clients are buying solutions with us, they will know in details what they are going to get. I really want you to receive a demo. If you received a demo by now, it's awesome. And if you didn't receive a demo, I really want you to have one so we can showcase you what you're going to get and how it's going to work. Step number two will be preparing to the architecture sessions. Come hydrated, come on time, don't delay and don't reschedule your architecture sessions. There is a reason why we chose specific people to work with you in specific times. Everything is measured and everything's supposed to be done exactly as it was planned. So please come prepared. There are some cases that you will want to bring more people to those architecture sessions. Sometimes you will bring more people because you don't have all the answers. As an example, if we are going to talk about the lead system, you will need to understand your sales cycle and the marketing cycle. And if you don't, bring people that have this knowledge. In addition, sometimes you want to bring people to those sessions just because you want them in the process. Sometimes when you are designing a full system and dropping it on your team, they will not accept it and therefore there will be a rejection and the project will fail. Sometimes you want those people as part of the project so they can feel that they are part of it, and when the baby will be born, they are also the fathers and mothers of this project, and therefore they will not fail it and they will try to make it work. So there are some reasons why to bring some people to those sessions. Step number three will be the architecture session themselves. You might have only a lead system and that will be 1 hour of architecture session. You might need more than that for the deal system, operations, and so on. In any case, the architecture sessions will be part number three. In those sessions, we, Amazing Business Results, we are going to interview you, and on the way, we are going to work on a Lucy chart that looks something like that. During the session where we are going to design those Lucy charts for you, you are going to understand exactly how your system is going to work and what type of triggers will happen on the way. As an example, in this case, you can see that when a lead comes in, we are just offering the employee, the salesperson, 4 options. When the lead comes in, we might identify it as a garbage lead, and then it will go into basically the garbage can. And then in the future, if more leads will come with the same email and same phone number, the system will not even ask you if it's garbage, it will just push it to the garbage automatically. In some cases, you call the person and the person answers, but this person have no time to talk to you. In this case, we will need to run some kind of a follow-up. If you're calling the person and the person answers, then you might need to ask some questions, and those qualification questions will be here. And the last option in this case will be that you call the person, there is no answer, and then the system might run automatically a follow-up. Maybe the salesperson will need to do a follow-up. Maybe we're sending a drip campaign, SMS, and so on. There are many options. All those will be covered in the architecture sessions. So those are the type of questions that we are going to ask you during the architecture sessions. And as you can see, it's going on and on and on. and you have the deal system, and lots of things will happen during this time. Most of it will be that the architecture is going to interview you and your team members, and the architect will design those systems for you. The end result will be that the entire future system is going to be on the flowchart, and everything will be here. Everything means that you will have, for example, you will have, let's say, leads will come from the social ads. We need to know if there is an existing connection or not. We need to know if there are any notes that we need to mind the developer, and we need to know what will be the proposed action, how those leads are going to be pushed to the system. Everything related each action needs to be very clear. So you, your team, and our team, everybody understands in details how all that is going to work. In the past, we used to have large specification documents, and those resulted nothing. The clients didn't read them, our developers didn't understand them, and it was a nightmare. Right now, we are working based on flowcharts, and that looks like a very good solution. The architect that is going to work with you will know both your target systems, such as Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, Zoho One, and so on, and also understands how business runs. So you will have someone that flows from your world to our developers' world, and in between is able to create the right Lucy charts. Whenever we are going to finish everything, and that will be step 4, we are going to present the final work to your team and also more people from our team, just to make sure that whatever was designed is the best optimal system we can come up with. Obviously, we are just humans, and you are just human, and there is a chance that we made a mistake during the architecture sessions. The last session, the kickoff, will be the time that you can come up with better things, or some people from our team. It's rare, but there are some cases that we are changing some small things, and then we have the best architecture that we can come up with. This architecture goes to the next step, and the architecture eventually will become a system. There is a chance that you purchase the product, and in a few weeks the entire system will be ready for you, or you want to run it as a custom project. Basically, you already have a system, and then on this system you want to have some custom work. In that case, you are going to start working with us on a monthly basis. You will have set amount of hours that will be allocated to your project, 40 hours, 60 or 80 hours, and based on those hours, we are going to work on your system. We are going to meet your company on a weekly basis, providing you updates on what was done during the previous week, show you a demo of what was done, and also explain what is going to happen in the following week. So everything will be super clear and super easy to understand, both from your side and our side.